Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Well, it's September again, so there's time for a new bullet journal pages, and well, I have to admit that the August bullet journal pages, I didn't write in them because the kids were on their summer break or on their summer holiday, so I didn't have time to write in my bullet journal, but that's okay. So it's blank August, but September is here, so I have another chance to write again in my bullet journal and keep track on stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so this is it for this month, and as you can see, I wanted to do a fall theme in my bullet journal. So here are all the things I made, and well, it's not that realistic for the colors, but I don't have that good colors anymore. I like the Crayola Super Tips, and I did had a very big box of all different kinds of colors, but lots of it don't color that good anymore, so I need to save up some money to make to buy a new big box of Crayola Super Tips. Or if you have any other suggestions which markers, or I don't know how to call this in English, but for these kind of things, if you have any tip to buy another brand or something, then just put it in the comment section below, and I would appreciate that. So well, you can see the lines over here. I did some coloring all over it, so it won't be that bland. And the acorn and some leaves, and I thought it would be nice to make a leaf inside the weekly menu so the lines don't go all over to the end of the page. So here's the groceries, and this one I already made up front, and I can see this is not really accurate, but it's okay. I really need to get my mojo back to do stuff, to make stuff, or write or paint or whatever, because I had 6 weeks vacation with my kids, and I really loved enjoying time with them, but I didn't get to do stuff for myself or be that creative for myself. So I really need to get my mojo back, and I wanted to do the whole September in this bullet journal, so that's why I made the last 2 days in this bullet journal too. And I tried to make this animal over here. Didn't really turn out the way I wanted, because the colors don't, well, they are a little bit dry sometimes, so the colors I used were not very coloring that good. So, well, the brain dump and my goals for this month. So this was my bullet journal for September, and if you have any tips or suggestions, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And I'm curious if you are doing a fall theme in your bullet journal, and I'm curious how you made that. Maybe you put it on a blog somewhere, and then just put your link in the comment section below, and I will then I can see what you are making. But for now, I just wish you a very happy day, week, month for this September. So hope to see you next time. Bye bye.